Welcome to Steve's Kitchen. Today we are making a delicious dessert with pineapple, and you're only going to need 4 ingredients. You need a pineapple, you need some cinnamon, some strawberries, and some avocado oil. We have a beautiful pineapple right here, and what I did, I bought the pineapple from the store 3 days ago. And when you get a pineapple, usually it's not ripe, so you're gonna need about 3-4 days to leave it outside, so that way it gets more sweet. So we're gonna make a delicious pineapple dessert today. And what I like about this dessert, we don't have to use any flour, we don't have to use any sugar, and we don't have to use any butter. You kind of shave it, to be sure all the brown stuff that come out. I preheating the oven to 400. So when you start cleaning the pineapple, always remember, preheat the oven to 400. So the thing with the pineapple, we're gonna make it rings. 1, 2, 3. So we got 5. Okay, so we have the avocado oil here. We have a brush. So just brush your tray on the bottom with a little bit of oil. I like avocado oil for baking because it doesn't have a big, heavy taste. It's very light. Then we're gonna take a little bit of avocado oil and we're gonna brush it on the top. You see, when you're using a brush, you're not using a lot of oil. So now we're just gonna sprinkle some cinnamon. Oh, it smells delicious. And we are gonna bake it. Pineapple is ready. Wow, it looks like cinnamon buns. But now with all the sugar and all the bread, so what I'm doing right now, I'm warming up the strawberries, and we're just gonna serve it with a little bit of strawberries on the top. Dessert time!
Oh yes, dessert time.
So what do you think?
Well, honestly, when you took it out from the oven, I also thought it was a cinnamon bun. I was like, that is a cinnamon bun. But yeah, it's pineapple, yes. It is a cinnamon bun.
It's a very interesting dessert because when you think about dessert, it's like you always think about flour.
Yeah.
You're thinking about sugar, you're thinking about butter.
Yes.
And this is all natural. The only thing I did is take out the pineapple, clean it, cut it, put it on a tray, put a little bit of avocado oil, a pinch of cinnamon. You let it bake 400 for 30 minutes. Then what you do with the strawberries, I use a frozen bag of strawberries. What I did, I took out the strawberries yesterday, and the strawberries, the ice melted.
Yes.
Right? So you had that extra liquid from the strawberries.
Yes.
You see, so you didn't have to create a syrupy
No, it's
flavor.
It's natural. Yeah.
Right. So what happens, the only thing I did, take the strawberries, put in the microwave for 4 minutes, and it's ready. Or another way is you can put in a saucepan and let it cook slowly. But actually that might have been a pretty good idea. I didn't think about it. By the time the pineapple is ready, the strawberries will be ready. Good energy.
Every day.
Go to our YouTube channel for more recipes. Please subscribe.